Good day everyone, my name is Jude BALERO, BS Agriculture first year student. So, this video is content of what are the importance of understanding the self in future agricultures. First, I will discuss to you what is understanding the self. And the second one, I'll discuss of what are the importance of understanding the self in future agricultures. What is understanding the self? The meaning of understanding self is having insight into one's own behavior, attitudes, strengths, and weaknesses. It is the individual's ability to say and know what he or she is good at or needs improvement. Self-understanding is one of the highest goals in psychology. What are the importance of understanding the self as a future agriculturist? Understanding the self as a future agriculturist is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it allows you to align your personal values and interests with the agricultural industry, ensuring that you are pursuing a career that resonates with who you are. Secondly, self-awareness can help you identify your strengths and weaknesses, enabling you to make informed decisions about which areas of agriculture to specialize in. Lastly, understanding yourself can lead to a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment in your work, as you will be able to pursue a path that is personally meaningful to you.